Hi guys, I'm Chiomar, aka Chomi Choco for short. I'm here for a water splash game, and I hope I win. Pray for me though.
Everybody, my name is Wisdom Ma'am. So I'm here for a water competition and I hope I win.
All right, good luck in advance. Yo guys, it's your boy Joe Boy of Lagos, Tam Free You, Capas Prada. To show you another episode of game that will interest you. And I've not seen anybody showing interest that they want to join us. Please, if you are interested, do well to DM us. We'll link you up. Follow me. Okay. Let's have it. Okay.
I'm done already.
Who is gonna win? Come on. What's going on? Let's see the winner. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay. Let's have it. Let's have it. Okay. One more, one more, one more, one more, one more.
That's job. You lose.
Let's see it. Oh, Attila. Ah.
Finally.
Okay.